feel like I've been gone for a really long time, like months and months. Had quite the summer. We've had a great time, but I think it's time to come back and show you something that I actually got done this summer and something that I'm planning to do for the future. Join me, won't you? Okay, so remember that rug hooking project that I was doing? I had live streamed about it when I opened the package. It was many months ago. Well, I finally finished. Let's see if I can get a close-up. Let me see. Do you see the cat in the way? There we go. What do you think? I also have a hanger for it at the top here that I also ordered from Hirschner's when I got the rug done. So you'll see that'll help a lot to hang it. I'm not going to actually hang it here. I'm going to send it out to my sister. I'll show you. There's the border. I just used regular manufactured bias tape and sewed it all along the edges there, and there you have it. Okay, so you've seen my latch hooking project that I finally finished after months and months. I actually didn't get to work on too much this summer because we were off. We went to Edmonton, we went to Cranbrook, we went in we stayed in a yurt at Spruce Woods. We went up to Thompson, Manitoba. We just did a million things and saw a million sights and had a really great time. It was super boiling here all summer, so I didn't really feel like sitting under a rug and trying to do much, or sitting under some yarn to crochet. So I did a little bit in the car, on the road, things like that. But now the kids have started school. Actually, it's their first day today, so I'm sort of back. So I'm going to interrupt my little ramblings. It's now 3 weeks later from the time I was filming that, and I still haven't gotten to making the LOL film. I've made the pattern, but I haven't gotten towards making the doing the film or editing it yet, but I promise I have put some time aside now and I will do it. It's just been such a lovely September. Outside it's sunshiny and yet a little bit cooler. So I've just been walking around and enjoying myself. The kids are at school, been playing a little Pokemon Go, and I just feel like I've lost a little bit of my YouTube mojo lately. So this week, as you can see, the light is on. It's dark in here. It's actually kind of drizzly outside and cold. So this week, I will get to it. I will start filming that LOL doll that I promised. I think we're going to do Punk Boy first. And yeah, so I thought I'd show you what's coming up. I ordered a big package from Hirschner's again. That's the same place that I got the latch hooking project and the hanger for it. All Christmas themed. So let's open this package, shall we? I've already opened it up, but I thought I'd kind of do a little bit of an unboxing here. This, let's see if you can see that snowflake. Can you see the snowflake? It's not is it reflecting too much? There, okay. There's a snowflake. Now these are napkins and placemats that I am going to cross stitch. And it could be a gift. It could just be our household decor for the winter. I'm kind of not too sure. I really kind of like them, so they might be ours. This is just the thread that comes with it. Let's see what else we got. Sorry, I had to cut because I was coughing. My throat's a little dry. I haven't actually talked for a YouTube video in a really long time, so it's I gotta get back to it. Anyway, these are, can you see these? Cat ornaments. Maybe we'll do one or two of these to test out the kit while for a YouTube video, I guess, maybe. I figured those are always nice little ornaments to send in cards or to teachers or things like that, and to put on our own tree. And I've also got a set of snowmen because, you know, not everybody likes cats as much as I do. And so we've also got snowmen. I think my daughter might help me try to sew those. I think it might be a good beginner type project because you don't really need to sew on all the sequins and things on these. You could just glue them on. So we'll see. We'll see if she wants to help. And last but not least, because it's the most difficult one, I think, is a set of Christmas cards that I am going to cross stitch. Won't that be a very kind of personalized gift to give? I think sometimes cards can be a bit of a throwaway. I usually put family pictures in ours, but the kind that you can kind of release from the page and keep the picture, throw away the card. But this year I'm gonna try this. I got a hand-painted card last year from my brother's girlfriend, and it was just beautiful. I'll have to dig it out and show you. But it just got me thinking that cards can be a really nice keepsake as well. So I'm gonna try to get these all done. Now you see why I ordered it so early. It's only September. It's gonna take me months to do all of this. So that is exactly why we are going to start right away. Okay, I'm interrupting again 3 weeks later just to prove to you I have actually cross-stitched one of the cards. Isn't that cute? So, you know, one down, only 11 more to go, plus all those ornaments and everything else you saw that I unpacked from that package during the first round of filming. And yeah, my YouTube Mojo, maybe comment, maybe subscribe, maybe like, maybe help me get my mojo back so that some of these ideas in my head will come out. And yeah, LOL doll. Next up, I promise. It might be the beginning of October now, but it's coming, it's coming. Yeah, so short video, trying to get back into it. Like, comment with, have you started any Christmas stuff yet? It seems so early. I haven't even done Halloween. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, but I'll probably take a break on the Christmas stuff to do Halloween, which is why I have to start the Christmas stuff right away. Yeah, too early. Too early. It's too warm to even be thinking about it, but I'm gonna do it. Are you going to start getting ready too? What kinds of crafts are you gonna do this year? Do you prefer handmade, or would you rather just get a bunch of gift cards and go shopping? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, stay tuned for LOL doll crochet patterns, and bye bye for now.